Hey guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the founder of thegrowthleague.com, and I have coaching programs specifically for restoration businesses. I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in their business, and to build something that's sellable. Okay, so one of my favorite topics is on the topic of keeping score. If you're not keeping score, if your team members don't know where they stand, you're leaving money on the table. It's that simple. I'm not a big sports guy, but I do watch sports with my family. Imagine watching a football game, no score was being kept. Imagine watching a baseball game, no score. Tennis, no score. Soccer, no score. Imagine playing those games with no score. Fun, but are you going to be driving as hard? Are you going to be pushing as hard as you could? Are you going to know if you're winning or losing? Probably not. It's the same thing in business, right? So if there's no score, you're really doing your employees and your business a disservice, right? So what do you do to get started? Think about 2 to 5 metrics for every seat, for every role in your business. What are the most important metrics for the success of that role? You can think about activity goals. You can think about results related goals, right? So you can think about an activity goal when it comes to sales. Could be the number of visits, number of face-to-face visits every week, or it could be the number of scheduled meetings, sit down face-to-face meetings with a decision maker each week. Results, easy, right? How many referrals are they getting? How many dollars is it equating to in revenue? So that's an example of some activity goals and some results goals. And think of, again, what are the 2 to 5 most important metrics per role? Put them on a spreadsheet, track them every week. Your employees are going to know if they're on track or off track, if they're winning or not. I'm telling you what, when I started with a scorecard back in 2013 in my restoration business, and then later also in my auto glass business, it was a game changer. We knew where we stood. If you have any questions about how to implement a scorecard in your business or anything else related to driving revenue, profitability, getting you, the owner, out of the daily operations, and just building a more sellable, more valuable business, just book a call with me and we'll talk. Looking forward to catching up with you.